In this video, I will show you how to lock apps on Android. Go to settings of your phone. After you open settings, scroll to down. Go to app management. Under this app management, scroll to down again. Tap on this app lock. Now type in your pattern. Confirm your security again. So after you confirm your security, tap on this skip button at the top. So now select the app that you want to lock, as you can see. So let's say I want to lock this gallery app and this app. After you select the app, as you can see, tap on this lock beside the app. As you can see, tap on this lock so to lock the app. So now I'll just close the app settings and go to the app now. Now I'll close this app, gallery app. So I'll just open it now. So now it asks me to type in my password before I log in. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.